Youth for a better future Haiba theme da Project Z na Manipur University Student Union MUSU ga KHUTSAMNADUNA the 2016 Youth Summit 2026 HOUDOKKHRE Manipur State Legal Services Authority Malsa Department of Social Welfare Government of Manipur Department of Environment and Climate Change Government of Manipur ki tengbang ga loinana MIMS Department Manipur University da HOUDOKKHRE thoram aduda Asem Tarun Kumari Devi Additional Session Judge Fast Track Court Crime Against Women Manipur Longjam Samson Board Committee Cum Chairman Project Z Sidananda Sarangthem Literary and Publication Secretary MUSU 2025-26 na athoiba mithungnen singoina saru yakhe
Manipur is the every section the education or help or economy or growth like Mahuta downfall or Hiram Kudimokse, a high river Kudimokse Hapana by the Mukta, Hogula with a mirror say, Sidaj the Semdokwa, Sadokwa, Makoida Karaida Karino less lady have a Pishalakanda, Natragati, Manipur as a better future among the Waragani Haiba Wakalon, Sida the 16 Youth Summit Kumba, Haiba Mington, Tolakana, Masiki platform, Manipur, the amongst the Horkan Tamzarakwani, High River Masiki, the 16 inauguration, Sida Ahogi, Madam Asem Taruna Kumari Devi, additional session just fast track court. Crime against women Manipurgi High River Medamasina Chief Guest Pamang the Pambira Kanasi program Simatangal Pambivani Aduga Longjam Samson Board Committee the Chairman Project G Generation Foundation Gi Samsona Hoigi Masiki Guest of Honor Ne Aduga Sidananda Sarang Thamsina Hoigi Literary and Publication Secretary Sina Musuki Mahana Siki President Pamang Pamakanasi programs Pangtok Zabadi High River the 16 Youth Summit the Tongan Manipurgi departments in Habitat, Social Welfare Department, the Environment and Climate Change Department, the Manipur State Legal Services Authority, High River Departments in KHUTSAMNADUNA Department now Mio Sasing the Panganga Bakana Basing, the Department is in the Mio Basing the Pangani even no lessing at all. Makoina Satra Sing School to them even in my line that's Anagiba, Adumapu Madugi no lessing say, when Angang the Department Yohaniba Mayam say, Yobung Nagi. Tangkak amasu ako na the 16 Youth Summit sige manung sida thamjari aduga laiba satra delegates sina ako Manipur da uriba natragana nation da uriba natragana international da uriba khudimak sige issue haiba tare economy oirasu education oirasu high riba mokoina thengnariba issue singa do voice receipt tawba yabagi tanja amasu akoina piri makoina hek aningba hek apamba se akoina chahi sidadi akoina topic limitation thamdabida makoina hainingba makoina ngangningba khudimak voice receipt tawakanda Manipur miyam da lebak miyam da yawnangai gi platform ado project gi 16 Youth Summit asida